How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another one. In this video, we will be in Microsoft Copilot, checking out the AI tool to see if we can design a better workstation. A lot of people always see here talking about how to start a business with AI and this and that, and I figured let's take a different spin on it and see if we could design a workstation with AI. So I have my requirements. Let me pull them up here. All right, here we go. This is Milanote. If you're not familiar with it, it's a pretty cool tool for note taking and planning and task tracking. And I'm on the free version right now, and this is the workstation. My needs here: I need everything off the ground. I need to have overhead space for storage. I want everything within reach, meaning it doesn't need to be super wide. I mean, it cannot be super wide. Also, it all has to be on one shelf. My current setup, I have a shelf to the side. My workbench is pretty massive. Sometimes I'll have to walk around to the side to get stuff. And with that being said, the bench work surface of my current setup is too deep, which means I have a lot of wasted space. I want to maintain my dual monitors. I want to have room for my weight scale, the scanner, the tape gun, potentially room for a wet tape dispenser. I want my thermal printer to be on the work top and a laser printer below. I want wall organization behind the monitors, something for pens, markers, scissors, box cutters for sure. I'm probably going to have something down the line, maybe clipboards. And I know I wanted workbench height. It'd be bonus if it was modular on wheels and the work table itself could fold out or slide out so that it was expanding and it could be bigger when needed. So let's get on with it. I'm going to try to include all of that in my prompts. So I want Alright, I got it all typed up here. I put that I want a standing workbench with the printer storage below, rolls of thermal labels and packing tape stored overhead, 2 monitors mounted on the wall with wall organization for pens, pencils, markers, and box cutters. On the workbench, a tape gun, barcode scanner, and scale. I like the whole workstation to be on wheels and modular organization. The workbench top should be able to slide out when needed for space. Let's create it. Wow, look at this guy. He's got a foot there and into the box, and the workbench itself is pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is a lamp or some sort of scanner, and this thing is just floating. This has a ton of organization. Is that a 5 ghost and a O? This is pretty good for the back part though. I just need the dual monitor. Let's check out the other one. It's actually pretty cool setup here. I definitely would like the dual monitor, obviously. I like how there's room to slide under. I could put a printer there. Definitely room for my scanner and scale on the workbench. Look at it. It's got the clear tape and the labels. So overall, these kind of match the design aesthetic of what I'm feeling. Definitely has the organization I want. Not so much the modularity, maybe this one and this one. But let's head over to Pinterest and see what I can put together there and make this a reality. So yeah, I like this organization, storage. I don't need all these boxes anymore. I'm not needing to pack it up anymore. It's already boxed. This could work for the most part, but I need a sliding desk. I'm going to get some good ideas together and we'll jump back in a second. So that's going to be a sliding desk. That's the bonus. Wheels. I see some ideas. I don't think that really needs to matter a whole lot. I think I can see from this one though, I will need to having this recess here is going to be important. And then this shelf here is going to be where my printer goes. The overhead storage. So I think I'll use this for a lot of it. So we'll put this over here. back to trying to figure out the dual monitor. So wall mounted dual monitor. Let's go there. And then I just need to figure out the height. Alright, we'll have it at a 30-inch height for the workbench top. I'm going to use this design for the dual monitors, unless I find another way to mount 2 monitors to the wall. I'm going to have a slide out desk. It doesn't need to be the full length, just something to give me extra area so I can utilize this full area. So say I have this box here, I'll just throw it off to the side here and lay out whatever I'm doing here. I have the 2 monitors there, and we had some of the other ideas for the wall. We'll do something like this for back behind, some shallow shelves for the top, maybe one more layer there, or just stick with these half shelves here. I think that'll work just fine. The printer will go below, and that checks all my boxes. That wraps it up for this one. As always, I'd like to hear you guys' feedback, especially in this one, because if anybody is like me where they're starting fresh or somebody that's starting new, any pointers and tips you guys like to share, we can have that conversation in the comments below. It's kind of fun seeing how this works with the AI. I don't think it's quite where it needs to be to actually be a full-on designer for something like this, but it was good to get a visualization for what I'm going for, and that combined with Pinterest to see some real-life examples, I think I got off to a good start. I'll be working on this in the background, and I'll follow up with another video when I have something to show. In the meantime, as always, we have the coupon in the description to the website. Check us out. Thanks for the likes, comments, and subscribes, and I'll see you in the next one.